part comprehension is the test of the student ability to express his knowledge and ideas in written English. Essay writing is आज सभी परीक्षाओं का आवश्यक अंग बन गया है। इसका मुख्य उद्देश्य रिटन इंग्लिश में विद्यार्थी के ज्ञान और विचारों को व्यक्त करने के लिए योग्यता को परखना है। विद्यार्थियों से इस बात की आशा की जाती है कि वे दिए गए टॉपिक पर अपने विचार स्पष्ट और तर्कसंगत ढंग से व्यक्त करें। टाइप्स ऑफ ऐसे 4 प्रकार के होते हैं। डिस्क्रिप्टिव, इसमें किसी व्यक्ति, वस्तु अथवा स्थान का वर्णन किया जाता है। नैरेटिव, इसमें किसी घटना का वर्णन किया जाता है। इसके अंतर्गत हिस्टोरिकल इवेंट्स, बायोग्राफिक इंसिडेंट्स, जर्नीज आदि विषय आते हैं। रिफ्लेक्टिव, इसमें लेखक किसी विषय पर अपने विचार व्यक्त करता है। इसके अंतर्गत हैबिट्स, हॉबीज, डिसिप्लिन, पॉवर्टी, एजुकेशन आदि विषय आते हैं। आर्गुमेंटिव, इसके लेखक पहले किसी विषय के पक्ष और विपक्ष की चर्चा करता और अंत में यह बताता है कि कौन से विचार ठीक से हैं। सेकेंडरी स्कूल के विद्यार्थियों को ऐसे विषय पर ऐसे लिखने को दिया जाता है जो उनके व्यक्तिगत अनुभव से संबंधित होता है। कभी कभी तो उन्हें किसी आउटलाइन को एक्सपेंड करने को कहा जाता है। इस अवस्था में उन्हें निम्नलिखित बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए। लंबी भूमिका और परिभाषा से बचें। संक्षिप्त और आवश्यकता अनुसार लिखो। ऑर्डर ऑफ इवेंट्स का पूर्णतः ध्यान रखो। अपने विचारों को विभिन्न पहरों में विभक्त करो। एक पहरे में केवल एक ही विचार रखो। विचारों की पुनरावृत्ति न हो। विराम चिन्हों की और जागरूक रहो। ऐसे अ ग्रेट नेशन हीरो और माय फेवरेट लीडर्स, द पर्सन I admire most, मिस्टर इंदिरा गांधी। Outlines: name, birth, personality and early life, personal success, role in society, sacrifice, success in national world, on qualities you admire, lesson of other it's। ये इस तरीके के ये जो मेन टॉपिक दिए गए हैं इन्हें एक्सप्लेन करना होता है ऐसे में। लाइक India has given a birth to many great leaders who have led the nation during difficult times. I bow my head before Gandhiji, the father of the nations. I have all praises for Sri Jawaharlal Nehru, the creators of modern India, but I love my Gandhi the most. Mr. India Gandhiji is my favorite leader. She was the worldly daughter of the worldly father P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru. She was born on now 1997 at Allahabad. She got her education in India and Europe. At the age of 25, she was married of Sri Firoz Gandhi. Both the husband and the wife took an active part in the freedom struggle. She had learnt a lot from her great father to become a great leader. She was elected president of Indian National Congress. Then she becomes the minister of I&B. After the death of Sri Sastri, she became the first lady prime minister of India in 1966. In the general elections of 1977, the reins of the country were given in the hands of the Janata Party. However, they failed to control the administrations. In the midterm polls of 1930, Congress I won absolute majority in the Lok Sabha. Once again, she became the Prime Minister of India. She was the leader of Marxist. She raised the morale of India in a foreign country. She loved peace and tried hard to keep peace in the world. On October 31, 1984, she was shot dead by two men's guide persons. Okay, she will ever shine like that moon among the political stars. ग्लसरी में देखते हैं क्रिएटर्स निर्माता स्ट्रगल संघर्ष रिमाइंस रेंस लगाम एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन प्रशासन एब्सोल्यूट मेजोरिटी पूर्ण बहुमत मैसेज जनता मोरल नैतिक अवस्था पेश शांति एंड आइडियल टीचर्स द टीचर्स आई लाइक मोस्ट माई फेवरेट टीचर्स द पर्सन आई लाइक मोस्ट माई क्लास टीचर्स. ओके, आउटलाइन में क्या आएगा? हिज नेम एज एंड हैबिट्स हिज हेल्थ ट्रीटमेंट टू वर्ड्स स्टूडेंट हिज मेथड ऑफ टीचिंग वाई यू लाइक हिम. ओके, उनके पढ़ाने की स्टाइल और उनकी क्यों आपको पसंद है. टीचर आर हियर, टीचर्स आर देयर बट अ फ्रेंडली टीचर इज अ वेरी रेयर. आई एम अ fortunate enough to have a stupid under such as a teacher in a 10th class. He is Mr. Upon our English teacher. I read in Ramjas her second section number Paharganj, New Delhi. There are 30 teachers in our school. They are all good, but Mr. VP Upon is my favorite teacher. He is my class teacher. He is my MABT. All the students respect him. The teacher is English. He is a master of his subject. His method of teaching is very impressive. His voice is very clear. He teaches us nicely. He never beats off a fine that the students he makes then realize their mistakes very faithfully. He gives home task every day and checks it without fail. He show good result every year. He has a very good personality. He believes in a simple living and high thinking. He is a man of very simple habits. He is a great writer, but he is not proudly at all. He treats all the students like his own sons. I am really proud of such a nice teacher. He is an again among men. His student can never forget him in their life. ग्लोसरी में देखते हैं फ्रेंडली दयालु इम्प्रेसिव प्रभावशाली टेस्टली होशियारी जैन हीरा. माई फेवरेट पिक्चर्स द फिल्म आई लाइक इट मोस्ट और अ फिल्म हैव रेसिडेंटली सीन अ विजिट अ सिनेमा टू अ सिनेमा हाउस. आउटलाइंस नेम कास्ट स्टोरी कैरेक्टर सेट डायलॉग्स एंड म्यूजिक्स डांस कॉमेडी daily society show village or city modern or add natural security sincerely ideas and lesson. It's I am not a film when fun but I never miss a good film. A car was on at the Regal. It was the presided by all. Last Sunday I decided to see its evening show. I have liked it the most. My friend Ajay also went with me. We reached the cinema's hall just in time. There was a crowd on film fans. We bought 2 second-class tickets and went in. There was a great hustle and bustle in the ball. Soon it was packed to its capacity, and except 6:30, the ball range, the lights were switched off. At first, a newsreel was so. Then come in the real pictures. I kept the audience spellbound throughout the show. The whole film was divided into 2 parts. The first half showed the life of a farmer. The other half showed the life of soldiers fighting on the front. Every character had done justice with his or her role. Manoj Kumar first in the role of farmers and then in the role of soldiers impressed all. Prawn and had well in his role Kamini Kaushal and lived up to her role as a mother. It was a film. It was a film with a purpose. At the same time, it was a of enjoyment. We had really enjoyed the film. Glossary. हर्षल एंड विशल चहल पहल पैकेट टू कैपेसिटी पूरा भरा गया. स्पील बाउंड मूत्र मुग्धा इम्प्रेस्ड प्रभावित किया. विथ पर्पस उद्देश्यपूर्ण एंटरटेनमेंट मनोरंजन. माई फेवरेट बुक द बुक लिटल द बुक आई लाइक मोस्ट. आउटलाइंस क्या आएंगे इसके? बुक्स आवर फ्रेंड्स एंड गाइड. माई फेवरेट बुक simple language, interesting and instructive. Gather reasons for liking. I am fond of reading books. They are our friends. They help us to all times. They guides our life. They are food for the mind. The book I like most is the Ramayana by Tulsidas. It is my favorite book. It is a sacred epics of the Hindus. I hold a very high options about this book. I read it daily in the morning. It reaches me many good lessons. It is full of wisdom and good thoughts. It tells that evil cannot flourishing for a long time. The good trumps in the long run. The path of goodness is full of defective, but it leads to glory in the end. Rama comes out victorious over Ravan after a life of suffering. I found great solace in this book. It helps me to come over my difficulties. It gives me peace and comment. It speaks to my heart and purifies my soul. The story of Ramayana teaches us to lead an ideal life like Rama. It shows us to right path. It guides in the right directions. It is a very dear to me. I can part with my life, but I cannot part with this book even for a day. Glossary. My favorite प्रिय वैल्यूबल ट्रियस अमूल्य निधि. ट्रिम्पस विजयी होता है. सॉल्स शांति. कॉन्टिमेंट संतोष. आइडल आदर्श. प्यूरिफाइज पवित्र करना. द स्मार्टेस्ट बॉय ऑफ माई क्लास or my best friend. The student I like most or qualities of a good friend. You come in contact with many students at school. Evidently you do more, not like all of them. Describe in about 200 words the student whom you like most. Outlines name, age, his family, his good habits, his habits, why you like him. A true friend multiplies our joys and divides our sorrow. Happy is the man who has true friends. I have many friends, but Gaurav is my best friend. He is my class. We sit on the same desk in the school. We go to the school together. We spend most of our time together. He comes of a noble family. His father is a famous doctor. His mother is a teacher. He is the only son of his parents. So he is the apple of their eye. He believes in simple living and high thinking. He wears neat and clean dresses. He is not proud of his birth. He helps the poor and the needy. He is very intelligent. He stands first in our class. He is in the good books of his teachers. He treats others as his equals. He does not look down upon other. He is kind to all. He speaks politely. He does not boast of himself. He is very humble in nature. He is very regular and punctual. Punctual. He does not waste his time. He has a good health. He takes part in games. In the evening, he goes for a walk. In the morning, he is the motto of life. Health is wealth. Okay, he takes exercise regularly. He quite smart and active. He is fit in a strong. He has good manners. I am proud of having such a good friend. I like him very much. Glossary multiply our joys. हमारी खूब खुशियाँ बढ़ाता है. Divides our sorrow. हमारे दुखों को कम करता है. Apple of their eye. उनकी आँखों का तारा. Look down. अपन ढूंढना करना. Humble विनम्र. Manner शिष्टाचार. My childhood or recollective of early childhood. Outlines. Morning. Mother calls. Palace. Home. Love and care. Fears of elders. Punishment and at times various desires. Toys, clothes, swells, schools and teachers. Childhood is the happiest period of one's life. It has been called the golden periods of a life. The sweet memories of a childhood stick to one's memory like a pleasant dream. In my childhood, I no worry. I had no responsibility. I got everything without doing anything. My every wish was readily fulfilled.